Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to build and run a JavaScript application, that is Node.js application. And I will show you how to host it on Nginx server so that anyone can access the application using browser or any browser. To show how to build and run, first I will clone a JavaScript app from GitHub repository. For this demo purpose, I am using Ubuntu machine. Okay, first you need to know the file structure of Node.js application. You can see one thing, that is package.json file. In the Node.js application, actually what happens, the developer writes code to create an application. If the developer uses the Node.js to create an application, and you see the file structure of Node.js application, one thing, that is package.json. What is package.json? Here developers mention the dependencies which is used in the Node.js application. All the dependencies are mentioned in the package.json file, and here also it is mentioned how to run the application, that is Node.js application. First, to run the JavaScript or Node.js application, first you have to install the dependencies. I will show you how to install the dependencies. Then you should run the application. Okay, to build and run the JavaScript application, you need to install the Node.js and npm on your machine. Two things is required to build and run. Two things is required. One is Node.js and another is npm. What is npm? Npm is a node package manager. In this command node npm, you can install the dependencies which is mentioned in the package.json file. I will show you how to build and run a Node.js application. Okay, I will show you. I will show in the hands-on and in the hands-on. Okay. For the demo purpose, I am using a Ubuntu machine, that is WSL, Windows Subsystem Linux. If you want to know how to run a Ubuntu machine on Windows, I have created a separate video. You can check out that video. Okay. Here I am using Ubuntu machine for this demo purpose. Let me open the Ubuntu WSL. To open the Ubuntu WSL, first click on Start button. It is my Windows operating system. Okay. First open the Start button and click on CMD, right? And then click on Command Prompt. First here you can see what is the available WSL available virtual machine. To know all the available virtual machine, WSL -- list -- varvol and hit enter. Here Ubuntu is stop position. To run the Ubuntu WSL, that is Ubuntu Subsystem Linux, just click on down arrow key and 24.04 Ubuntu and click on OK. This is the Ubuntu WSL. Okay. In this machine, I will show you how to build and run a JavaScript or Node.js application. Okay. Actually, what happens? Developers write code. Developers write code to create an app. After creating the application, say for example, the app is written in Node.js. Okay, Node.js app. DevOps people is to run the application, build and run the application. I will show you how to build and run. For this Node.js application, I will clone a Node.js application that is hosted on GitHub. It is a public repository. I will show you what repository. This is my Ubuntu machine, and for this demo purpose, I am using an application that is tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac and toe. It is written in JavaScript or Node.js. Where I will get the tic-tac-toe application? It is available in my GitHub repository. That is this repository. Okay. To clone this application, this is the application. To clone this application, just go to the code section and click on HTTPS and click on copy. Then open the Ubuntu WSL, and here you should write just, I have already ls rm-rf. Oh, sorry. There is no files. You can see to clone. Clone means, what is the clone? Clone means copy the application. This is hosted on this repository. You copy this application into your machine, that is Ubuntu WSL. To clone the application, just write git clone and paste repository. Okay, and hit enter. It is cloning, that is copying this application, and it is copied to your machine. Ls, you can see the application. This is DevOps demo. This is the application. It is a tic-tac-toe game application, and it is written in Node.js, or that is TypeScript application. Okay. To go inside the application, just cd tf dev and hit tab and enter. Ls, you can see ls and hit enter. You can see all the files and folders of this application. You can see also in repository, you can also see all the files and folder here. You can see this is the copy. This application, I am opening this application in a VS Code, that is VS Code is a IDE. Okay, to open the application in VS Code, just write code space and dot and hit enter. It will open the application in VS Code. Here you can see left hand side all the files and folders of this application. Okay, this is the DevSecOps demo. Here you can also see that this is the DevSecOps demo folder, and here it is, so all the files is shown left panel. It is Explorer, and contents of the any selected file shows here, and this is the terminal you can use. I have created a video how to install VS Code on Ubuntu. You can check out that video. Okay, okay. It is a TypeScript, that is JavaScript application, Node.js application. Okay, I have already shown, that is package.json. It is an important file. What is the package.json? You can see also here in the VS Code, that is the package.json, and contents is shown here. You can close it. This is the package.json file. What it is written? It is written all the dependencies used in this application. So for example, here use React DOM, React, Lucid React. Okay, and all the dependencies are mentioned in the package.json file. This is package.json file. This is the Lucid React and React DOM. And package.json is log.json is a exact version of these dependencies are mentioned here. Okay, first you should know the package.json file. Okay, and another important, that is npm. What is npm? Npm is a package manager. By using npm, you can install the dependencies which is mentioned in the package.json file. Okay, to build and run the JavaScript application, first you should install the Node.js on your machine. As this is a Ubuntu machine, first I have to install a Node.js, that is Node.js and npm. Two things is required to build and run the JavaScript or Node.js application. Two things is required. One is Node.js and another is npm. Let's first install the Node.js and npm. You can install the npm and node.js by a nvm, node version manager. This is a package name. I will show you how to install the node.js and npm by nvm. Okay, to go to my repository, first I have to check whether node.js is installed or not. To run the terminal, to open the terminal, just press the control and backtick. It will show the terminal, and here you can use this command to check the whether the node.js is installed or not. Just write nod node -v and hit enter. You can see there is no node available. And npm also check, you can check npm -v, check there is no npm version. Just first I have to install one node.js and npm. To clear the screen, just clear. To install the node.js, first go to my repository. Here, this is my GitHub repository. I will put the link in the description. You can check out and go to the DevOps tutorial. Here, programming basics, and go to the Node.js sections, and here Marn start. Here you can see how to install a Node.js or npm. First copy this line, copy and paste it here and hit enter. Okay, to big screen, just here. Okay, clear. This is the first step. Then close the terminal and open it again. Okay, you can close the terminal, just close it. To open the terminal again, here you just write code and dot and hit enter. It will reopen the VS Code. Okay, to install it, then use the nvm install node, this command. It will install the node latest version. Go to the VS Code and here these two command, nvm install node, and hit enter. It will install the Node.js into your machine. Wait a little bit, it takes time to install. It is installing Node.js. Okay, it is done. Then you can see, check the node version, node-v, copy and paste it here and hit enter. You can see this is the Node.js version. That means you have successfully installed the Node.js. And also npm is also installed by using with the node, npm -v and hit enter. You will see this. That means you have successfully installed Node.js and npm on your Ubuntu machine. And this is the package.json. Okay, you can see this is the package.json file. You can see this. To run the application, to run this application, this is the Node.js application. To run the application, you can see this portion, package.json file. And here you can see the script, available script, that is dev, build, lint, preview, test. You can use this command. Okay, first you have to run this command. You have to run this command, npm install. To install the dependencies, just use this command, npm install. What it does, it will install all the dependencies mentioned in the package.json file into your Ubuntu machine. First you have to install the dependency. Okay, npm install and hit enter. Okay, it will install all the dependencies. It is done. When you run this npm install command, it will create a, that is the one thing, node module. It will create a directory that is node modules. All the install modules are mentioned in this directory. Okay, npm install create this directory, node module, that is here. Okay, first step is done. First you have to install the dependency on your machine. Then you can run this command. To development purpose or to run a development purpose, first use this command, npm run dev. What? This is this dev command. Dev scripts will run. Npm run dev means this script byte is triggered. Okay, then I have to execute this command npm run and dev means this command, this script will be executed, dev. We can also use npm run build. I will show you npm run test will, this command will be executed. npm run test means byte test run will be executed. npm run dev means dev byte command will be executed. All the scripts are mentioned here. Just put npm run that command. This is very important file, package.json. Here you can see the all the available commands and you can use it npm run that. First I am to development purpose or dev server purpose, I am using this command npm run dev, and just I will show you here. First use npm run dev, this command, this is, and hit enter. Your dev server is running and you can access the dev server that is localhost colon 5137, and it will pop up a window that is 51 port 5137 is available. Just click on open browser. VS Code is very helpful to build and run application or to write code. Okay, I have created a separate video how to use a VS Code. You can check out that video. Okay, just click on here and click this. Sorry, control backtick, control C, again rerun from this. Click on open in browser. You will show this. This is the tic-tac-toe application. Just click play. This is the game application. You can play it. Click, 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 and here and here. Display. This is he wins the game. You can access the application by using this. Okay. Then again go to the VS Code and to stop the server press Ctrl C. Okay. Then I will show you how to for production purpose. For production purpose, building for production purpose, just use this command npm run build. It will create a dist folder or dist directory. This directory is very important. This directory will be hosted on Nginx server. Okay, I will show you how to. Building for production purpose, use this command npm run build. Okay, just go to clear the screen, npm run build, build. Here you can see that this is the build command. Just use npm run build. It will create a dist directory. Okay, just npm run build and hit enter. Building for production. You can see the dist directory is created. Okay, and this files and folder, you can host on Nginx server. This is important, this directory, to host your application. I will show you. Just here I have shown how to host it on Nginx server. After executing the npm run build, it will create a dist folder, and that dist folder will be hosted on Nginx server. Okay, I will show you. This is done. Control L. ls, you can see all the files and folder, that is dist. To access, to host the Nginx this application into the Nginx server, just use, first you have to install the Nginx on your machine. To install the Nginx on your machine, just use sudo apt install Nginx and hit enter. Put the password, press Y. It will install the Nginx server. ls. Okay. Then I have to copy the dist folder into the var www.html. I will show you. I just write this to host the application. Copy the dist folder slash dist dist directory into the slash var slash www slash html. Then only you can access the application. I will show you. To host on Nginx, first you have to copy the dist folder, contents of the dist folder into the var www.html. For this, clear the screen. Just go ls, go to the dist folder cd dist and hit enter. ls, you can see all the contents. To copy the contents, cp hyphen, you can so copy, you can sudo also, you can use the sudo cp ass asset and index.html to the var www slash html, sorry, var www slash html, this one. First copy these contents of this here into this folder and hit enter. Copy r, use the flag hyphen r and hit enter. It will copy it into the, you can see also the contents of the here also asset in this directory also. So go to this, just use this command to first you have to restart the Nginx system ctl restart Nginx and hit enter. Sudo for home sudo sudo system restart Nginx and hit enter. It will restart the Nginx. To access the application, go to the browser and here you can just write localhost host colon 80. This is the HTTP port and hit enter. You will see the TikTok to game is displayed. Okay, you can play it. Okay, Panna is on this game. That means you have successfully hosted the JavaScript application into the Nginx web server. That means you have successfully hosted the Node.js application on Nginx server. Okay, to recap, just how to build and run a JavaScript or Node.js application. For this demo purpose, I am using a Node.js application that is TikTok to game, which is already located on in this repository. You can also clone it. Just go to this into the repository and go to the code and click on HTTPS and here. First you have to clone the application into your machine. Okay, just clone the application into your machine. I have already cloned. Just to clone it, just use git clone and name of the repository URL. For this demo purpose, I am using a Ubuntu WSL. If you want to know how to create a how to run a Ubuntu machine on your Windows machine, I have created a separate video. You can check out that video. Okay, first clone the repo and then go inside the repo. ls, you can see all the contents of this application. To open the VS Code, just use code space dot. It will open the code into the VS Code IDE. You can see all the codes. That is for the TikTok program game. One file is very important, that is package.json. What is package.json? Package.json, it is a dependency files are mentioned. All the dependencies are used in this application and it is mentioned in the package.json file. Okay, this is the dependencies. Okay, package.json. To build and run the application, you should install the two things. One is Node.js and npm. Okay, into your machine. To install the Node.js and npm, just use the nvm. I have written a documentation. You can use this documentation. First use this command to install the nvm. After executing this command, just use this command nvm install node. it will install the latest version of the node. To check the version, use this command node-v and npm-v. This is the node. And what is the npm? Npm is a node package manager. It helps to install all the packages which is mentioned in the package.json here. Npm, whenever you run the command npm install, it will install the Lucid React DOM into your machine. npm is a node package manager. This command is very helpful. Npm install. First you have to install the dependency. Okay. To run the dev server, just use the npm run dev. Why npm run dev? Because in the package.json file, it is mentioned the script available commands for this application. Npm run dev, npm run build, npm run lint. You can also use this. Npm run test. That means npm run test means by test run. This command will be executed. Okay. For dev purpose, development purpose, or dev server purpose, I showed this command npm run dev. It will create run the application and open in a browser. I will show you. I have already showed it. To run the application in production purpose, use this command npm run build. Whenever you execute this command npm run build, it will create a directory that is dist, and this contents of this directory will be very useful. It will be hosted on Nginx server. To host the Node.js application or JavaScript this application, I have used Nginx server. Okay. Only thing is dist folder. That is the dist folder. Sorry, dist. Sorry, this dist directory is very helpful. The contents of this dist directory will be copied into this directory, and just rerun or restart the Nginx server. To host the application, first you should install the Nginx and this copy and rerun the copy, and you can access the application. Okay, here you can use this documentation. I will put the link in the description. You can check out. Here, this is, you can see all the step by step instruction is given here. Okay. And whenever you run the npm install it will create a node modules. I have already showed node modules. Okay. In this way, you can build and run a JavaScript or Node.js application, and that Node.js application is hosted on Nginx server. Okay. If you like the video, please like it, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.